Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Aanandita Shukla, student of MCom Applied Economics. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic from economics called Cob Web Theorem. Now don't worry if you're not familiar with the term because I am going to break it down into simple terms. So let's get started with the video. The Cob Web Theorem is a simple yet a fascinating model introduced by economist Nicholas Kaldor in 1934. It explains how price and quantities of good in a market fluctuate over time and especially during short time. The word cobweb is derived from the way the supply and demand interact, which visually resembles a spider's web. The theorem is based on the assumption that producers like farmers make their production decisions based on the prices they expect in the future. However, the twist comes from the fact that it takes time for a production decision to come into effect. For example, a farmer plant a crop by seeing the previous year's price, but by the time the crop is ready to get harvested, the price may have changed down due to various factors like supply, demand, or weather condition. Now let's walk through how this happened in real world. Imagine there's a market where the price of the product like wheat is determined by the supply and demand. At one time, the price of wheat is high due to shortage. Farmers seeing the high price will plant more of wheat expecting the price will remain same. But by the time the crop is ready, the increased supply may have driven down the price. This cycle of falling and rising price continues, and this will also discourage the farmer from planting more wheat in the next season. There are three types of pattern of cobweb. The first one is the convergent pattern. This scenario involves the decrease in the oscillation of price and the quantities of good in a market. This happens when the price elasticity of supply is more than the price elasticity of demand, which means that the producer are more responsive to the change in the price, and the market corrects over time with the increasing magnitude of fluctuation. The second one is the convergent pattern. In this, the price diverges away from the equilibrium price. This happens when the price elasticity of demand is more than the price elasticity of supply. And the last one is the continuous cobweb. In this, the oscillation of price and the quantity of good remains cyclic or constant over some time. This means when the price elasticity of supply and price elasticity of demand is equal. As a result, the oscillation of price repeat without the oscillation of price sinking or growing. However, this model isn't perfect, but it is a simplified model which helps to know about the market behavior. But remember, in real world, the market are much more complex. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.